Hi, I happily welcome you all to the today's English class. In the yesterday's class, we were discussing about the topic definite article. We have discussed 5 rules of it, and in today's class, we are going to continue the same topic, definite article, and we are going to see the other set of 5 rules. And you all know it really well. There are 2 types of articles. One is definite articles and another one is indefinite articles. Articles are used to define the noun as specific or unspecific, that is as already known or not known. And definite article is used to define a noun that is specific. And in the yesterday's class, we have discussed when and where to use definite articles, and we have completed 5 rules, and today we are going to see the other set of rules. Let's start. The rule 6. With adjectives to refer to a whole group of people. We have to use the definite article with adjectives to refer to a whole group of people. Let us see an example. The French. The French, it refers to the whole French people. The British, it refers to whole British people. Yes, here the French enjoy cheese. Since the French, it refers to the whole group of people, it's a plural, so we have used plural verb. The French enjoy cheese. And the next rule here is before names of public buildings. You know about public buildings, that is school, bank, post office. Yes, these are some of the examples of public buildings. For example, the bank closes at 5 o'clock in the evening. The bank closes at 5 o'clock in the evening. Bank is a public building and we use the before the public building name. And the next rule, before names of countries, not all the countries, countries in the plural, and mountain ranges as well as regions. Now before countries in the plural, here we have the example, the United States. The United States comprises 50 states. 50 states together is called as the United States. And that's why we have used the before it, and the United Kingdom. It consists of 4 countries, and combining together we call it as the United Kingdom. And the Himalayas, it has the mountain ranges, and that the highest peak in the world, Mount Everest, is one of them. And the next rule here is before groups of islands. Groups of islands. For example, the Andamans. Andamans, it has many islands grouped together, we call it as the Andamans. And the Maldives. Maldives, yes, it has more islands and it's grouped together and we call it as Maldives. The British Isles. The same thing. It has more islands and grouped together, we call it as British Isles. And the next rule, the last rule, before names of well-known buildings. We have to use the definite article before the names of well-known buildings, oceans, rivers, musical instruments, and newspapers. Let us see an example. The Times of India. A name of newspaper. The Times of India. The Parliament. It's a well-known building. In India we know it, the Parliament. And in America we have the White House. And the Shena. It's a musical instrument name. We have to use the before musical instrument name, the Shena. Yes, that's all. These are the 10 rules we need to know before using the definite article. If we know these rules clearly, we can easily apply it in our sentence and we can use the definite article in our sentence definitely. And let me repeat you one more time. Definite article is used to define a noun that is specific. And that's the end of our today's class. I hope you have understood it very clearly. Thank you for watching this video.